Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, welcome. And today I'll be installing this beautiful wig here from Unice Hair. So I do want to say thank you to them for sending over today's wig. If you guys are interested in watching the install as well as hearing what I think about it, then make sure you continue to watch today's video. And of course, before we jump into it, please subscribe if you aren't already. Hit the notification bell as well. And you can follow me on my other socials. They'll be here on my screen and in my description bar below. Now we'll go ahead and jump into today's video.
I was wrong, even once wasn't anything. So if we had another chance, I would never let you steal my plans. Bring me back to life.
So here is the end of the wig. I'm gonna make this part pretty quick. So all of the wig information, description as far as color, length, density will be in my description bar below, as well as a direct link. I just want to talk about the quality of the hair and how it's made. So starting off with the quality, it's actually really nice hair. I love the color that flows through it. They did a really good job with placing the highlighted pieces throughout the wig. The density is really nice as well. Love how thick it is, how well it holds a curl. Very nice and shiny, soft to the touch, no tangling, no shedding. As far as the lace, now this is limited lace that you are given. You only have the lace that's in this parting space specifically, and then you have just like literally maybe like a centimeter of hair space right here in the front with lace. So it's pretty impossible for me, I'm not going to say for others, it's pretty impossible for me to do any plucking to this hairline, as well as right here in the front, like closer to the parting space. It was just a little bit difficult. I did try to pluck it just a little bit just to tear down some of that density because it was a bit thick, but for the purposes of having a unit that you can easily put on and take off, I think this will be great for that. You don't have to do the plucking and stuff. I did have to add quite a bit of heat, as well as you know, just try and thin this out as much as I could to make it look as realistic as possible. And of course, adding the makeup here in the parting space and plucking that out, that was a little bit more of the work I did to it. I also cut the bangs right here in the front just to add a little bit more layers, so that way the curls would fall just a little bit better. But overall, those were the things that stood out to me the most about the unit and what I think you should know most about it before making your purchase. But overall, I do think this is a really good quality wig, so I would have to give it a rating of 9 out of 10. I like it a lot, that I do plan on wearing this one a lot more. It will be a very easy wig to like put on and wear to work. That is specifically what she will be for. So yeah, if you guys are interested in the unit, just make sure you check out my description bar. I'll have a direct link there for you. Thank you again to Unice for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.